Great Barrier Reef, Heaven in Australia, Part 3. Sheraton Grand Mirage Resort. The unrivaled beachfront resort on the Gold Coast, Sheraton Grand Mirage Resort invites you to indulge in luxury while visiting. The resort's location on the Gold Coast's gorgeous beaches, only minutes from surfers' paradise, gives visitors plenty of opportunities to explore, interact with one another, and find adventure. Recharge in the renowned Sheraton bed after your journey, unwind with modern conveniences, and keep in touch with high-speed internet. All guest rooms boast views of the lush garden, sparkling lagoon, or the Pacific Ocean. The resort has a pool with a swim-up bar, and guests can also access fitness next to the resort. Terrace's restaurant features a buffet that includes fresh local seafood, traditional favorites, and desserts. Pearl's Bar enjoys views of tropical gardens and the Pacific Ocean, and it offers premium beers on tap, high tea, and light meals. The Sheraton Grand Mirage Resort on the Gold Coast has all you need for a comfortable stay. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.